Today, the first locally transmitted case of Zika in Hidalgo County was confirmed. Hidalgo County Health and Human Services officials say this case could have gone unnoticed.
A local physician tested his patient. Channel 5's Carolina Cruz has more details on this case.
The man who tested positive for the virus is no longer infectious. That's a point health officials want to make clear for the community. Laboratory testing shows the individual is no longer at risk for spreading the virus to mosquitoes or humans. The reason the patient tested positive was because Zika antibodies were still present in his blood. It indicates there was an active infection around 2 months ago. The positive results were confirmed by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and the Texas Department of State Health Services. Health officials discovered the male had Zika when his pregnant partner was tested. Her results turned up negative. The physician tested him as well as a precautionary measure. The reason why this is being classified as a local case is because the man claims he hasn't traveled outside the valley within the past 10 months. Health officials concluded the man contracted the virus by a local Zika-infected mosquito.
As of today, there have been no microcephaly cases from cases that we've investigated and worked on. I want to make that real clear. We have not had any, we've trapped thousands and thousands of mosquitoes. We have had 0 mosquitoes that we've trapped. None of them have come back positive for Zika, none, 0.
Even though the infected patient was a male, officials urge pregnant women to consult their physician and test for Zika. Here are some symptoms of Zika you need to watch out for. They include fever, joint pain, eye redness. If you experience itchy rash and at least one of the other symptoms mentioned, health officials recommend you get tested for the virus. Health officials say at this time no other locally transmitted infections exist. They believe this is an isolated case. In the Channel 5 News studio, Carolina Cruz, Channel 5 News at 6.
Hidalgo County Health and Human Services have tips for you to protect you and your family against mosquito bites. They say wear insect repellent every time you go outside. Also limit your outdoor activities during peak mosquito times. Cover exposed skin with long pants and long sleeve shirts when possible. Remove standing water in and around homes. And also use a larvicide in water that can't be drained to keep potential mosquito breeding grounds under control.